Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video is another unboxing, but this is not a subscription box unboxing. I've purchased this item myself as a reward for being a hard-working person. So if you're interested, what is this unboxing all about, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna be unboxing this one right here. I've already unboxed it, but for the sake of giving you a video, then I will redo it. So I've purchased a Louis Vuitton bag. Yeah, it is a bag. I purchased a Louis Vuitton bag on my first pay because I got hired. So I have a decent job. Is it decent? So I work at the bank now and I'm so happy. So I have rewarded myself for passing the exams, the interview, and for having the position despite of not having an experience or any experience. And imagine it's in the US. If I am a Filipina and if I'm gonna work or apply at the bank in the Philippines, they will not hire me because I graduated as a teacher, and in the Philippines you should have a diploma before you could, a diploma of like accountancy before you could start working at the bank. So grateful. Anyway, so this is the original Louis Vuitton is, yeah, this is original. I purchased it in San Francisco Union Square. So this is the bag right here. That's it. And the bag is, voila, it's really pretty. And I'm not ready. Hold on, let me get the receipt, and so that I would be able to name it for you. So excuse me, this is the first time I'll be doing a high-end unboxing, so I can't name it properly yet. So I am back. So this bag right here is called Croisette. This one right here, Croisette. The design of this leather, or this one, is Ebene. So I've purchased this bag right here for $1,650 in San Francisco, California. And this one right here, you might think why it looks different, because I've also purchased a band. So this band retails for $190 US dollars. So it made it really look special and pretty with this band right here. So if you want extra, like just a casual look, you could take off the band, but if you want it like a bit extra fancy and girly, then this one is a plus. The thing about the band is it's a bit fragile and the quality is not that good. So I'm not sure if it's really worth it, but for the sake of making your bag look pretty, then yeah, this is a must. But the quality is not that good. Honestly, it's not good. So this one right here is really pretty, and the strap looks like this. So this is the strap right here. This is full leather. Oh, so this one right here, it's canvas, it's not leather. So the associate told me that a canvas is made out of cotton, but it's really durable. But this strap right here, this is a real leather. So if you want to know how the measurement of this one right here, hold on, I have a tape measure with me, and I'm gonna measure it for you. I don't know. My review is kind of not so organized, but I am trying my best. Also, I'm gonna wear it so that you would know how this one looks like when it is used. So, oh my god, hold on. So let me use a tape measure to measure it. So from here to here, so it's, hold on, I'm gonna include the metal hooked So it's 24 length. So it's 24. So my height is I am 5'3", 5'3.5", or 5'4", and this is how the bag looks like when it is used. So hi guys, so everything is clearly showing. So like I've said, I am 5'3", or let's just say 5'3.5". Is that possible? So this is how the bag looks like when it is like shoulder bag, but this is my waist here, so it goes down on the hips. And if you wanna shoulder bag it, I mean cross bag, it looks pretty like that, I guess. That's it. So that's how the bag there looks like, and the strap is not adjustable, sadly. You couldn't adjust it. So yeah, earlier that was zoom out, so that's it. You could not adjust the strap. And let's look at the interior. So this is how the interior looks like. You've got the red, which is, it really looks pretty with this brown canvas right here. It gives life to the bag. So this is how the bag looks like here. It's really spacious inside. The bag is small, but it is indeed spacious. And you've got one like a pocket in here, and the code is on this side right here. What else? So also the closure is like snap, like, you know, this is the downside of this bag right here, because sometimes it's really hard to close the bag, especially if it's empty or there's nothing inside. So it takes time to close. So once it is closed and you want to open it, just press these two button right here or something, press it like that, and it will open. So that's it guys. So that's what's, my camera is not focusing, so that's the color of this bag right here. And now let's see what are the things we could put inside the bag. So I'm gonna put stuff inside this bag right here. These are the normal things that I bring with me at work, except for the lunchbox, because I don't use this and put big lunchbox because for sure it will not fit. So the first thing we've got right here is I've got this wallet right here. This wallet is from Love Moschino, and it's really a big wallet, or a small size wallet. Am I making any sense? So just testing what are the things we could fit inside this bag. So one, and normally I bring perfume with me. So let's see, I have here a Chanel perfume, this one right here. This is I don't know, it's a big size, and let's try to put it inside. So we still have more space right there. And what else? So let's see, we've got sunglasses right here. This is by the brand Burberry, and I don't have any sunglasses case, so this is kind of thick and big. I'm not sure if it fits, but we could try. How about pulling out the perfume? Pulling out the perfume, and then putting in first the sunglasses. So that's it. So my wallet in here and my sunglasses. How about, but it's like full already, but we could try more. So I'm putting back my perfume. Looks like the perfume doesn't fit. It doesn't fit anymore. Let's see another like slick thin perfume. I got some here. Hold on. How about this one right here? This is by Ferragamo perfume. Okay, small one. And how about lipstick? So we've got here a Marc Jacob lipstick. Put it on the side. And what else? Hold on, let me find another. Oh, my phone. So I've got here my phone. My phone is iPhone 8 Plus. So put it on top. I think that's it. But you could put some more, but in my case I don't want to put a lot of stuff in there because it's just, I love my bag and I should give extra care. Okay, so that's it, guys. So it fits how many items? They're really big, especially my phone. So we've got this phone right here, 8 Plus. We've got one perfume, small one, and one lipstick. You could still put mirror, like a small mirror, thin mirror. You know what occupies the space is this one right here. It's really big. And yeah, if you have another like sunglass casing, that would be better, because this one is really, it would occupy a lot of space. And my wallet. So that's it, guys. And if you want to see the side of this bag, this is the side of this bag right here. And yeah, one thing, the disadvantage is now I've got a lot of scratch. I've got a lot of scratch in here by just closing and opening, because sometimes closing can be pain in the ass. I've mentioned it. It's not easy to close this, especially if your bag is not full, because you have to push it like that, and sometimes it's just difficult to close it. It's just, see that? Like, it's not really closed. So that is the disadvantage of this bag right here. So yes, and have I mentioned the tax? So the tax here in San Francisco, again, I've purchased it for $1,650, and this scarf right here, or this band, retails for $190. So my sales tax is $156.40. So that's a total of $1,996.40. So yes, that's it, guys. Hope this video helped when it comes to your future purchases, because probably you're eyeing and buying this one right here. And I would say that it is really pretty, it is worth it. But if you don't, the only, like I've said, I keep repeating it myself, the only downfall of this one right here is, the only thing that I don't like is this closure right here, and as well as the strap, because I prefer it like a bit shorter, like that, but this is too long. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more about this bag, some details which you think I did not mention, please let me know by leaving a comment down below, and yeah, I'll take time to answer those. So yes, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next post. I love you. Bye.